ban kon senang bakin la ban putin ben jike isu ban dawai kata ban phak no kata CBI ini itu tengok tu jangan kedai mau EDC fund scam teachers recruitment scam ternyata ke call scam ISBT scam Sobhagya scam new assembly building scam ternyata ke smart meter scam smart city scam and purchase the use of police vehicles kota halor kini kita ndai bitang ga bathmai ta ndai nadu kapun katuka kanemo memo bangila pha bengbau governor hangni kla shai kita report clear bai kani ka bara kan superior play Hito tin wai ka memo on April 7 2000
ngadang suyok mentan ban ngayok pediang dang mentan ngan puli bani ay ka bat ya ke ka bangi dei ban le min ha ban le kat kum ka jing dawa chu persen jong phin ba ngit skam ba kini ki jing tho ba PI ka ba ka win ki mat ba pi kwai ka CBI inquiry bat ki we de te nakaliang jong garu kum state president ngan sim khai ka ni baladon kam man pha jing tho spo sha ki bor ba dei ban tho spo del hi ro han pha baladei ban pha sha ga government bo mi ke lar pha te phya ban ai bor biasa komunikasi pada dia.
Saya Aiti was kami kembali laong menen ba minta singin le do yo presiden yang state yang BJP bahwa ni lawan ni kan bat ni la ai kena ke Dorkhas habai dei bagan ni dawaya kata CBI inquiry bat enforcement director halor ki skandal ki bafer dan skandal hi kabnung kong ya ka bomentau snem ni kran ya kena ka call scam lana ta ka duyong ka social welfare department rice scam Sobhagya scam ISBT scam ka new assembly building scam EDC fund scam smart meter scam smart city scam and purchase use of police vehicles in the headquarter they halor kini ni la ekran bat nakaliang jong presiden jong ka BJP jong ka state jong Meghalaya ula ai ka commitment pun sim kha pun pha no sedal hi bat in up kato kat ni sngi tak hapo istayo te lada kani ka BJP kamla le ban le yeng te ngin meneng la de krani udo basai bangin wat ko appointment pom home ministry affair bangin ya kendo yo menteri korbari Amit Shah te ni don jengkermen baga nakalian ko BJP kan wanra ya kata ka CBI yang pari bat ka ID bat kimdei rupan langkum tu selap kum perthat rekhang ban syukudur Henry Mslapat te kumban chupun suk susu eki menakan ya takum katu ka kerwo ka bangila i leng ba kilat patai ko bor he jong BJP ulo ong ba kin sa pembiang kita ki kot isla habiya dei ya kata ka ban budgen ni ka CBI inquiry lan ni kata idi te nakalian jungi ngila pembiang da ki jingtho pa ni kata report ngila ai bet ka bangan pulia menta. In 2014, the NGT banned illegal rat hole mining all over Meghalaya after all Dimasa student unions and the Dima Hasau District Committee filed a petition that highlighted the unscientific and unregulated rat hole mining operation in Jaintia Hills. However, the following protest by the mining lobby, the tribunal allowed the transport of already mined coal. Kabaar kadai ka jingyap jong police inspector officer in charge patar khama ha opos riboy Kaba was found mysteriously shot inside his official quarter in Patharkhama on January 24, a day after detaining 32 coal-laden trucks flying illegally on the Patharkhama route. It's alleged that a massive corrupt cover-up was done by the higher-up to make it look like suicide. On 20 March 2018, the president of Jaintia Youth Federation, JYF Poipanhon Mejai, was found murdered at Krirat on Monday night. Police said the youth leader, who was also an RTI activist, was murdered by an unidentified miscreant. On 8 November 2018, noted anti-corruption and women's rights activists of Meghalaya, Agnes Karsiang and her colleague Amita Sangma, were brutally attacked by unidentified person in Jaintia Hills, about 120 kilometers from state capital Shillong. Ms. Karsiang received severe head injuries in the attack. On the 13th December 2018, a group of 15 coal miners were trapped and died in San area at of Lumthari village after the coal mine was flooded by water from the nearby Litin River. Indian Navy and the RF personnel were deployed to extract the bodies. On 2nd January 2019, a citizen report prepared by civil society group in Meghalaya and submitted to the Supreme Court earlier this month, submitted through the amicus in the case Colin Gonsalves, Les Vincent Pala, Lok Sabha MP and 4 ministers in the Conrad Sangma-led government and 7 MLA alleging that men or their relatives are coal mines owner. This is just a sample from the political class. An independent audit of coal mines will reveal that many high-ranking bureaucrats, technocrats, police people are involved in the mining business, the report said. On 7 January 2020, Meghalaya Lokayukta directs CBI to conduct inquiry into the alleged racket involved in the illegal transport of coal, boulders and betel nuts in the state based on the FIR filed against the Superintendent of Police East Hill District. And considering the alleged involvement of high-ranking civil and official, not surprising all the state government challenged this very order in the Meghalaya High Court. On 11 February 2020, Home Minister Meghalaya was stripped of the home portfolio for his alleged involvement in the illegal transportation of coal. This did not deter the coal mafia, as it now appears that the coal mafia network has everyone in their payroll. On 4th March 2020, 4 persons, including a brother of Meghalaya Revenue Minister, was arrested in Guwahati along with 24 coal-laden trucks. On March 18, 2021, based on petition from leader opposition Meghalaya Lokayukta for the second time, baling ang bangidon kajing shania badai to nginungim ong tan haya ka parti bangila I kajing shania kadai lingba menteri rang ba do prime minister Narendra Modi ngila I sha ba don ki ngamong baro don ki kat to kan ni bu lapha sha ba kila yo ya kata ka hok kat kum kata ka corruption don hero ki bu ki bela sha kem ki bela sha pen system kum tanghasian kumapok Kalkata rupai kat no pokro kami gitu ngelap hak ya ke enforcer director but hangnir ngangai scam ba ka BJP kan le bat di kemudian kambat what hak covid lada minister hatu ko pordon minister jong ka BJP mo health minister hang tur ya bamentai hi what dengi ngidang su phalai ko covid ka bopoi dagi pho ko dagi spa crore ka jinglot hang ne tangi ngai scam ba ya kaniru Modi unumran dian rala dewan penstom yik di khor dewan penstom tangi don ka jingshani hadu kata himu but lada feel ban ai kata ka jingshani hangi ki pat ba jong ka mekla to komot ngirung in sejuba je ka i ka dewan juba